What's up, unicorns? Welcome back to the music room. The last video that I did for you on how to edit your slides when you put them in iMovie was really geared for iPad. Several of you reached out and with questions about how it was going to look if I were to do it on the laptop or like a desktop. And the truth was, I honestly had no idea because I had not tried it. I've just now tried it. I've just now worked this out, and I wanted to show you it is ridiculously easy um, when you know how to do it. It's one of those things though that you just are incredibly frustrated with until you know how, and I'm gonna show you. So everything has already been imported. And I'm pretty sure if you're using iMovie and slides, and then you know what I'm talking about, and you're ready to go with that. Um, if not, you've opened iMovie, you've got nothing in here, you would go to this little arrow, and that would bring up your Project Media Center, and then you can import whatever's on your device into iMovie so that you have it to choose from. So I've already selected all of the things. So I'm going to take my video and I'm going to hit the plus sign, and it's going to pop on down. I want that to be longer because you can see the blue at the bottom. Like that's a mess to deal with. So I'm going to extend it by coming over here, and I am going to drag it to the farthest setting just because it'll be so much easier to edit later. All right, I'm not going to bother editing this with you right now because I really just want to show you how to add your slide. I do want to get rid of that beginning though. If you are not sure how to edit, you're clicking on the video itself. You're using two fingers to press down on the mouse, or right click, I guess is what it would be, right click, and then you're gonna hit split clip, and then you're gonna highlight the one that you don't want, you're gonna hit delete, and now it's gone. All right, so I'm going to get to the place where I need to add my slide. Lots of talking. All right, so here we are. I'm going to edit that out because again, I don't really need it. And any opportunity you get to make your video a little shorter just makes everything so much easier and nicer. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to here. This is the one that I need. So I'm not going to hit the plus sign because if I hit the plus sign, it's going to appear in the center, and that's not what I want. So I'm going to take the screen that I want, the slide that I want, and I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to place it on top of the clip. Now, I'm going up here to the top where there's like that square, inside a square situation. Now, that's already highlighted for me right now. If yours isn't, then highlight it. It's going to give you this drop-down menu. Default is cutaway. I'm going to change it to split screen. I want my split screen so that my video is on the right and the words are on the left. Now, to get your slide in the perfect shape, you're going to go up to the crop. You're going to get rid of Ken Burns. I don't know who he is. I'm sure he's like a famous movie person thing, whatever. It drives me nuts. And I'm going to hit fit. And then I'm going back and I'm hitting the crop button again, and it works. I hope that solves your frustration and fixes all the things. And I will catch you in the next one. Please feel free to drop a comment below to ask whatever questions you need. We're on this new journey together, everybody, trying to figure out how to be the best music educators we can for our students, and it is a struggle when you are learning technology that you have not been expected to know. So here we go. We're learning together, and this is going to be fun. All right, bye, everybody.